So I nicknamed my next guest as Queen was because she was the showstopper. She was the last guest of the 4 days camp we had. Put your hands together to welcome Preeti Vichakna. When she came into the room, she said, "It's like my daughter." That's the commitment we have. And as I say this, I have goosebumps in me. It's not business for us, it's not transaction. What do you think?
Thank you so much, Canvas India, DPS Lava, for inviting me as a guest speaker and being a part of this amazing initiative, Young CEO Program. Well, first thing first, I must say that we never had the privilege to have such kind of programs when we were in school. Trust me, students, and I'm sure your parents, principal, ma'am, everybody will agree that we were not provided this kind of exposure. So I believe you should leverage these opportunities. And it was a great experience out here. And if I talk about, when we were talking about the kids not having confidence, trust me, nobody is born speaker. We all had that shyness. Till today, if I'm called here, of course we'll have butterflies in the stomach. We are human beings. To err is human. It's okay if you don't feel confident enough, but that's not okay if you don't work towards it. Alright, so I believe it's okay not to know, but it's not okay not to learn. It's fine if you don't know, but please figure out how do you get that knowledge. And I think if I have to sum up the entire boot camp, we all focused on the ASK approach. Well, in ASK approach, A stands for attitude, S stands for skills, and K stands for knowledge. So in order to become an entrepreneur, you need to have all these three components. You need to have knowledge about your product, your market. You need to research, right? Then second is skills. As everybody mentioned that, the trainers and the facilitators talked about the communication skills, public speaking, confidence to face your customer. So second is skills. All these skills need to be developed. And the third one, which is the most important and underrated, is attitude. Very, very important. What kind of attitude we all carry? Is it a positive one, or it is that of, lack of knowledge or ignorance, or it is arrogance? Attitude is also very important. So with this, I am sure you all will become super successful if you focus not only on the knowledge, not only on the formal education, but also develop your attitude and skills. Because the people who are coming here, all of them have worked really hard. And everybody that you see, the billionaires, the CEOs, the super successful people, they work on all the parameters. So it's your holistic development, students, that matters. Okay? Don't just, chase your paper. Always try to chase your dream, which is much more bigger than your papers. That is one component. The subjects, the knowledge, it's one component. It's not, in itself the complete knowledge or the recipe that will give you success. And with that, I would truly like to thank my gratitude to Principal Ma'am, DPS Lava, to Samaresh sir, to Canvas India, to all of you, to the super parents, who really work hard, and the kids. Thank you so much. Thank you.